I'm Dr. David Prince. I'm the owner of the practice here. We've grown a little bit, not to the point where I would like to be. There's been a number of times where you wonder, can I pay the bills this month? I've had 3 different consultants, but I haven't quite got what I wanted yet. One of the biggest frustrations with consultants is they come in, they give us their spiel, everybody's high, everybody's excited, works great for a month or 2, and then it gets right back to normal. As far as Wendy, I knew nothing about her. I'm sure I've received her mailings, her promotional materials, and went, just another thing to toss aside, because I get consultant stuff all the time. The reason I decided to go ahead with it was a personal referral from one of my good friends in Wyoming.
Another one?
Another one's on its way.
Another one is on its way, and hopefully they'll give a good idea, but I kind of think he's seen a few that I don't know if it'll really help.
A little bit, because it's like, oh, they're going to be analyzing what I do, and I'm going to have to take their criticism.
I mean, they're all kind of the same. One or two different. They'll just say the same thing as whoever else has said it.
It's a good thing. It's like a good evil.
I'm a little skeptical, because I feel right now I'm pushing the limit.
You don't feel like they actually know your demographic or your area, or that not everything will apply to your office, what they say.
For me, I've heard it before.
I guess I'm old enough to admit that change isn't easy.
We've just sat through the first session with Wendy. Compared to some of the other consultants I've had, it's all real world stuff.
It's a lot different than what I've seen from past consultants.
She's probably the best consultant I've ever met.
I'm not just making that up, like, this is legit. Just the fact that there was a lot that I wasn't doing as a hygienist, selling things to my patients that can benefit them in the future, and that we actually offered here and had here, and that I actually wasn't aware of. And it's kind of embarrassed about saying, but she actually brought it to my attention that there's a lot more I could be doing for the office.
These are things I didn't even think. I thought that there was no way we could improve our production from what we were already doing, besides getting the cancellations filled. But these are things I didn't even think of. And I really have been trying the past month to figure out ways, and this is awesome.
Also, with this consulting, it's been more for real dentistry rather than just running the business.
It's been 1 week since Wendy came to our office and did her presentation. My hygienists are bouncing off the walls. Their jobs become, I think, more meaningful to them. They've produced double what they were producing. They've done more sealants in the last 3 days than we've done probably in the last 4 or 5 months. And our numbers are up. We've produced more in the last 2 days. Well, in the last 2 days, we produced what we usually do in a week. So, who's gonna complain about that? I'm totally happy.
Wendy, she's my new idol, I'm not gonna lie. And I know that sounds cheesy, but she's my idol.